Hello everybody, I'm here to do a Brickmania haul that I got from one of Brickmania's resellers, a place called Brickizimo, Brickizimo. Pretty sure I said it wrong anyway. They had one of the sets that I wanted, so I thought I'd go ahead and get it from them. Put this down back here, okay. Got an invoice. Okay, so we've got a fighting Seabee. Pretty cool little guy here. Back side of him. It's one of the sets I went there to get from their website since it wasn't available stateside. This is the SB2C Helldiver carrier-based dive bomber. This is kit number 2249. There's the back side of the box. I also got the P-40B Warhawk. This is kit number 2290. There's the data plate for it. And the box art on the back. This is another set that I got from them since they were one of the few people that have it left anymore. This is the Natasha Seabees Bulldozer, kit number 2250. There's the box art on the back. So this one doesn't come with a driver or anything. That's why I went ahead and got the fighting Seabees, since the Seabees were the operators of this bulldozer. Oh look, there's something else in the box. Right there next to my thumb it says it's a freebie, so thank you guys. It is a World War II starter pack of stickers. There's the back of that. Move this out of the way so you can see it all. So there's my haul, the Natasha, the P-40B Warhawk, and the SB2 Charlie Helldiver. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, and I'll try to put some notes in the video about where I got them and maybe some links to the original pages for where these were available so you can see some details on them.